Hey all, it's Nick from Mapthusiast, and today we're going to talk about scales in Phairos Studio. Scales are overlay objects, so we have to go to Overlay, then click on the screen and go to the left, select Scale, and it will immediately place a scale on the screen. And now it's our job to change the scale in order to fit our map. There are a couple of things that we can do here. You will always see these buttons, so you can always move it. You can always turn it. You can then right-click this button in order to reset the rotate value to 0. Then you have this resize, which will basically just change the length. Then we have some more stuff in the properties panel. We have the count value here. This is by default a 4. If you increase it, it will just add boxes. If you reduce it, it will remove boxes. You can change the size both vertically and horizontally to fix your style. You can change the colors of the alternating bars. So usually this is white and black, but you can change it to anything you like really. You can also change the color of the surrounding line, oftentimes black or gray, but you can change this to white, or you can change this to an alpha value of 0, which will effectively make it disappear. Then you can change the step size, so this will automatically change the label. Currently it's at 5. If I change this to a 10, you can see the numbers update, and so each step further is increased by 10. The decision whether or not you can see a decimal point depends a bit on the initial value. So if the initial value is below 10, you will see this decimal value. If it's 10, you will not see it anymore. Then you can check the font size. You can make this bigger or smaller, the color of the text, the color of the surrounding outline, and the size of the surrounding outline. So basically the same things that you would do when you change labels. You can also place them differently. Yeah, so again, Y value, X value, and you can change the font itself. So again, just like with labels, you can use also system fonts in order to achieve your preferred look. You can have, of course, different scales. So you can create as many scale objects as you like and then turn one of them invisible in order to basically, see what fits best for you. But that was already it. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a lot of fun with your maps in Phairos Studio. See you in the next video. Bye bye.